world, one ride.
Good morning guys, this is Baby Sheesh and today we're gonna go to Gold Coast. Gold Coast is around some 3,500 kilometers and yeah, from here we're gonna go and see the Banana Bridge. I don't know, there's something called Banana Bridge. We're gonna check it out. And from here we're gonna go to Gold Coast, try to find an accommodation there. This was a lovely place here. Good rooms, quite affordable. And yes. So we are at the Gurudwara and Baji is here. So your introduction to the... How do you?
Oh my God, KB's here as well.
Okay, so this is not a photo, it's a video. So if you could introduce yourself, that would be nice.
KB.
Please, KB. Hey.
And John Arkan, Jordan thing, same
Okay.
thing.
So you guys from Jolal, you've become John now.
No, I was Jordan. My father named me Jordan, but my father named me John, and my mother named me Jordan.
Okay, so it's now John.
It's John Arkan. Look, welcome to our Woolgoolga and our area.
Oh, fantastic! A friend of mine who stays in Sydney, he told me that if you're going to Brisbane, make sure that you stop here. So
this is where the first Sikh temple of Australia was built. And we date back to my grandparents came here in 1880.
wow!
So we've been here. This is a vast and wonderful part of Australia, and the Sikhs are very proud to be here.
Oh, fantastic!
We're here, and we were all doing farming here.
This is a third generation.
Third generation.
Yeah, that's what he told me. His name is Kuljinder. He told me that's the third generation there.
Yeah.
So you better go and visit it.
It's a really good place. We're very proud because the Indian people are so industrious and they've done really well here. And done,
fantastic.
We've got people in all fields: doctors, lawyers, solicitors, and teachers, and everything like that. All professional as well as still farmers.
Oh, lovely.
You've got to move here from Mumbai. Everybody from India come and live here.
I wish I could.
My votes will increase that way.
Yeah, definitely. I would love to take a property if I earn that much of money. Now I've spent all my money, most of my savings on my world ride.
That's a research project.
Yeah,
You've now researched, and this is where you're going to come and live. I'll help you out. It's all good.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
Love it.
Thank you.
Very well.
We'll check out
Have the Gurdwara and have a look at the headland.
And then we're going to have the langar also.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
You have to have the langar. We have the best langar. When we have the Sikh games in Australia, they go to all the different cities. When we have the Sikh games here, we're renowned for the traditional food that we make, and we feed everybody just like all Sikhs do.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Good on you.
Thank
Good
you.
on you.
Thank you.
Happy
Very much.
All right, all the
Yeah.
best. my sister from here.
Yeah.
ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਵਰਲਡ ਘੁੰਮ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ
Watcha.
We're going to bring the prashad down, or we can have yogurt and paratha now, or the sabji is coming.
Okay, no
You
problem.
want to wait, or you
Yeah,
want
you can eat all. Just one. Yeah, that's two. That's two. Thank you. DJ, आ गया देखो. कहना तो दोनों ले ले मुझे दोनों.
हाँ दोनों लाना था.
हाँ जी.
रोटी ला लो जो नहीं प्रॉफिट.
हाँ चलेगा. It was really great. Had a full hearty meal. Langar. It was really tasty. And it's so spiritual out here. And come to think of it, 3 generations Indian culture is still alive in Australia. That's really great to hear and see. Nice, eh? So, I'm really proud of the culture. I'm really, it's really nice. God bless you, everyone. This is so nice. You feel so good. You feel so spiritual. You're traveling around the world and you get so spiritual. So we booked our hotel and we are on our way. As you can see, what a beautiful car that is. Okay, we had stopped here for DJ to fuel up. I have fuel too till Gold Coast. And off we go. We have 193 kilometers to go and the time is 2:23. What a lovely looking car, eh? Nice car, mate! Wow, beautiful this is. Really, really good. हाँ डीजे, क्या प्यारा कार था ना?
तूने कर लिया ना शुरू उसका?
हाँ आजा. हाय 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 क्या है रे नजारे, हाँ? feeling a bit sleepy, quite boring, too much of heat. So we just pulled over for a break. We have 76 kilometers more to go. Arrival time is 4:55 and yeah. So we have almost reached Gold Coast. Now we are 1 hour behind. So Google was saying 4:55 arrival time and suddenly it went to 3:55 arrival time. That means we have come 1 hour ahead. Gold Coast is an hour behind from Sydney. So that is a good thing. But while going it will be a bad thing. DJ, वहाँ पे जाते वक्त प्रॉब्लम है? वहाँ पे जाते वक्त अपने को थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना पड़ेगा. So we have reached the hotel. ये DJ, वो क्या उधर सब कुछ दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
वो देख उधर सब उधर खाने पीने का सब लग रहा लगता है मेरे को उधर.
ठीक है चल अभी इससे तो बात करते हैं पहले.
ओके ठीक है.
Okay guys, so we had reached the hotel long time back, went for shopping बोलेगा तो क्या? We got some beer and some wafers and some coconut waters or something like that. Bought myself dinner. I've just bought a fish fry, which was good. I didn't want to show it because I was not in the mood. The thing is, right now, Australia riding is good, but it's quite boring. It's nothing. It's like it's all beaches. The speciality of Australia is beaches. We're gonna go and explore tomorrow Gold Coast. Let's see how it goes. But I'm really impressed with the hotel room here. $100 in Parramatta. It was a shoebox. $100. You're living like a king. It's a palace for me. Big room. I'm seriously loving it. But hell, I hope you enjoyed the video. I love the Gurdwara food. Seriously, 3 generations of Indians staying here, and continuing the same culture which we see in India is just mind blowing. When they talk to you, you don't feel that you are outside India. But anyways, I loved it. I hope you also loved it. All the lovely people who are watching this, stay blessed and bye-bye.
One world, one ride.
Oh, wow.